Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is just a little short video to show you my pumpkin. If you had seen my Dollar Tree haul, you would have seen all the parts to it. So basically all I did was I took the real pumpkin, which is right here, and I painted it black, and then I just took some of the netting from Dollar Tree and made like a little witch's dress out of it. And then the pumpkin that I got, the top that came off of it, so I made the bottom part of the pumpkin the little witch's kettle or whatever, and then I took the top part of it and made the hat, and then I just had some of this tubing in my stash, and then I made a couple of my ribbon bows, ribbon flowers to put on there, and then I had some of the sparkle letters I put on there, and I still might go back and add some lights to it because unfortunately it's black and it sits against the black thing, so it's not really showing up that great. And then I just painted it green, and I didn't have the correct green, so what I did, I just took some ivy green and mixed a little white in it and a little bit of off-white and got the color that I wanted. Of course, I used some Google eyes, and then I used the little hands to decorate it, got little arms here. So that's about it, and so yeah, that's what I did. Oh, let me show you another cool pumpkin. This is my friend Chris's pumpkin, and it's the Bedman. It is really cool. And then we have Seymour from Little Shop of Horrors. And then we have the entry bucket thing. And then we have a little frog and a little sandwich over there. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.